Okay, this question has been on the timeline for some time. Let's see how we can do that. In the diagram, O is the center of the circle. Then the angle OQR is 32. The angle MPQ is 15 degrees. We have to find the angle QPR. So this very angle. Then we are also asked to find MQO. This very angle. So before we can find this is under circle theorem. So we need to bring out some of the theorems of a circle theorem. So in this case, we can see that QO RO is a radius. So since it's a radius, they'll be the same. And that makes triangle QOR to be an isosceles. Therefore, the base angles will be the same. That's the first property. So if the base angle are the same, adding all the three to give you 180, sum of the angles in a triangle. Then in the case of this, we can see that this is a chord MQ, subtend angle at the circumference, the same chord subtend the angle at the center here. So angle at the center is twice the one at the circumference. We can use that property also. So let's see how we can do that. So the first thing to do is to indicate that this is the base angle of isosceles triangle. So angle QRO is the same as this angle RQO, which is what? 32 degrees. They are the same. They are the base angles. So if that's the case, we can say that from triangle OQ or ORQ, we can have this 32 plus the next one, which we say is also what? 32 plus the top angle here, which will be angle QOR. QOR should give us 180. The sum of angles in a triangle always give us 180. So don't forget, this will be 64. So I'll be having the angle QOR plus 64 will give us 180. We are only adding these two. And maintaining the angle QOR, we can have 180 minus 64. And what can we get from here? So this will be, if I take away 60, I'll be left with 20. So we take away 4 from that. We are going to have 16. So 116 degree is the angle here. Right? But we are asked to find QPR. QPR. That angle is subtended by QR. This is the chord that subtends the angle we are looking for. It is the same chord that subtends the angle at the center, which we found as 116. Right? So the property we are saying, angle at the center is twice the one at the circumference. So we can say from here that angle we are looking for here. Okay, let me use this very one, which says the angle QOR is twice the angle we are asked to find, QPR. What the property is saying. So the property we are agreeing on is angle subtended by an arc or a chord at the center is twice the one subtended at the circumference. So this is going to be 2 times this. But this is what we are looking for. So we divide this by 2. So therefore, angle QPR is equals to the angle QOR divided by 2. And what do we know for this? 116 degree divided by 2 I believe you take 100, it will be 50. 16 will be 8. So we have 58. 58 degree. So the angle we are asked to find for the first part is 58 degree. Then in finding the second part, which is this, we can also use the same properties. That this is a radius. So triangle MOQ, it will be isosceles. So their base angle will also be the same. But let's see what you're looking for. MQO. So it is rather from here to here. That's what you're looking for, not the smaller one. So now, if that is the case, that angle we are looking for plus this very angle are going to be the same. So we can say that the angle MQO will be the same as the angle QMO, this very angle. So let's just say we take them to be Y, which are the base angles of an isosceles. If that's the case, this and this will be the same. Don't forget, this will be based on this property. So I can say that this very angle is twice this. If I take the angle here, MOQ should be equals to 2 times what? 15 degrees. And that gives us 30. Don't forget the property. This property is what we are using. And that property gives rise to 2 times the one at the circumference, give us the one at the center. So we can easily see that this angle, which are the same, so from the triangle MOQ, y plus 30 will be equals to 180, the sum of angles in a triangle. So don't forget, this will be 2y equals to 180 minus what? 30 degrees. Can we manage the space? So we have 2y divided by, 2y equals to 160, right? No, 150. If you take away 30 from 80, you get 50, so 150. So now let's divide by 2 and half y equals to 75 degree. Meaning the value of y is 75. Therefore, what we are looking for, MQO is y. So this value is the same as what? 75. So we can say that this angle is nothing but what? 75 degree. I believe the concept is clear. How we take the properties one after the other. After every property you state, then you apply the arithmetic. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.